that the untiring efforts of 300 delegates coming from China, and I would like to say with fullest force at my command that the security of Chinese brothers and sisters in Pakistan is paramount for us. It is most important. And we will leave no stone unturned to provide them with best possible security. Chinese brothers and sisters in Pakistan are our guests. They are brothers, and believe me, their happiness is our happiness. Long live China-Pakistan friendship.
वज़ीर-ए-आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ पाकिस्तान चीन फार्मास्यूटिकल शोबे के अहम बिजनेस टू बिजनेस
promoting Pakistan's economic trajectory, supporting Pakistan's stand at international forum, and joining hands together in CPEC 1, where more than $30 billion were invested by China in Pakistan, the single largest investment portfolio. So, ladies and gentlemen, your presence here today is a great reflection of this friendship, and it's a great indication of this unwavering commitment on the part of Chinese friends and Pakistani entrepreneurs. During my visit to China, I had the great honor of meeting President Xi Jinping, who is a very visionary leader, a dynamic leader, who has completely transformed China's economy.